Can you imagine a mountain that spews blue flames? Discover the Ijen Volcano in Indonesia and its mesmerizing blue lava. Nestled in East Java, the Ijen Volcano is famous for its electric blue flames, a phenomenon caused by sulfuric gases igniting at high temperatures. This surreal spectacle is best viewed at night, creating an otherworldly landscape unlike any other. But the intrigue doesn't stop there. The Ijen crater hosts the world's largest acidic volcanic lake, its turquoise waters stark against the rugged terrain. The area is also a hub for sulfur miners, who brave treacherous conditions to extract the bright yellow mineral. The biodiversity around the volcano is equally fascinating, featuring unique flora and fauna adapted to the harsh, acidic environment. A visit to Ijen is not just a visual feast but also a deep dive into a unique geological and cultural tapestry.